Hi everyone, I am so excited because we get to unbox backdrop curtains today. Hi, I'm Susan and welcome to Studio SG, where every design is excellent, elevated, and absolutely exciting. So, like I said, we are unboxing backdrop curtains today. These backdrop curtains were purchased from Temu, which I have to tell you, Temu has come through for me on many occasions. However, shipping wise, these curtains were ordered like literally somewhere between 6 to 8 weeks ago, and they have now arrived. That is not common. I assume that it has something to do with the whole tariff situation that we have going on. So I just want everyone to be mindful of how that is impacting the shipment of supplies and just things that we use within the industry to make our lives easier, to make events amazing. You want to consider shipping time whenever you're ordering things in for events. All right. But we are going to unbox a bunch of curtains that come in a myriad of colors, all from the same company. That means they're all the same quality. They all work the same way, but they are just a bunch of different colors. And I'm so excited to see what every package reveals. So let's just go ahead and start unboxing. Are y'all ready for this? Check this out. Two full boxes. Well, I would say maybe a half a box here, definitely a full box here of curtains. It's all curtains. It's all curtains, but it's just so amazing. I got these, like I said, on Temu during a lightning sale. So a lightning sale, just in case you're not familiar, is when they take one particular product in your cart and they just highlight it for maybe about 30 seconds, maybe an hour. I've seen some for as long as 3 hours. And what they're doing is they're price cutting that particular item to get you to purchase it, because maybe it's just been sitting in your, I don't know, your cart for a while and they're just kind of wanting to push you towards a sale. Well, in any case, it was a blessing. So I think I got these at 80% off of the actual retail cost, which is amazing. So it was like pennies on the dollar. All right. But they are all here. I think we're looking at either 8 or 7 different colors today. Don't remember. Don't even care. Just happy that they got here finally. So let's just go ahead and start unboxing. Oh, the anticipation is just killing me. What could this possibly be? Or rather, what color curtain could this possibly be? It's been so long, I have no idea. I don't even remember what I ordered, but I realized it's that pretty light purple, aka lavender. Oh my gosh, that is working. Y'all, let me show you a close-up of this, okay? So this is so satiny in terms of how it feels and how it looks. It's absolutely amazing. Let me open it up just so you can see the opacity. Yes, so I can see my silhouette behind this curtain. But you have to appreciate the coverage in terms of the color and just how it will drape even when you use it. And the thing about it is that I realize that the more curtains you put together, the better it drapes, the better it falls. So I've got 10 panels of each color. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that there are at least 7 colors in these 2 boxes. So here I go, just folding up the lavender curtain, because that's just me. If you know anything about me, if you haven't learned it yet from watching these videos, I got to put stuff away as I take them out, right? I don't like confusion. I don't like mess. I don't like clutter. But at the same token, I'm sitting here and I'm thinking, wow, that is so pretty. And I can't wait to see the other colors. I just remember that as I was selecting the colors, I kept thinking about what I thought I would need for this upcoming season. So lavender, of course, is not necessarily a winter or fall color, but it definitely is something that you can incorporate into those 2 seasons if you wanted to, so long as you pair it with a darker color of the same shade. So something monochromatic. All right, so here I'm actually pulling out, and I paused for a second because I was a little traumatized. I thought, oh my gosh, please tell me this is not a black curtain, because I've got 10 panels of black already. This, guys, is navy blue. I just wanted to put it right there up against the camera so you can see, and I'm comparing it to the black bag that I used to carry my balloons in. So yeah, that is definitely navy blue. I love that. Another amazing shade of backdrop curtains, and that definitely works for the winter and fall season. So I can't wait to actually pair that with maybe some other blues, just to really make it look nice. Oh, like in the winter time, if you did like a winter, I don't know, some sort of wintry theme, it could go really well with white curtains, baby blue, and that dark navy. Oh, amazing. All right, so, I'm doing inventory control here. I pulled out another lavender. I want to make sure that I have all 5 bags of each color. So yes, I'm not sure I mentioned that, but there are 2 panels per pack, okay? I don't recall what I paid for the pack of 2 panels, but each color has 5 different packs. So there's a total of 10 panels for every single color that I'm pulling out. There goes another navy blue, so I'm just really happy that the count is adding up. I need to make sure that my inventory is tight. Also, I wanted to, just kind of share with you guys just how expensive these curtains can be if you buy them from any other venue. Honestly, I'm not knocking anybody, but, places like eFavor Mart or maybe Tablecloth, or I forget what it's called, the Tablecloth Factory. Those are places where, things can get a bit pricey. Quality certainly, but definitely can get pretty pricey. So I was happy for the sale that I caught on Temu. Oh my goodness, yes, the cranberry, aka burgundy, but we're gonna call it cranberry because cranberry is sexy, y'all. So cranberry is the color of this curtain. Absolutely beautiful. I hope it doesn't appear as red to you. This really truly is a burgundy, and so you can see as I put that red bag up against it, the difference in colorway. I am so excited about this because, yes, again, another amazing fall color. And so I see myself kind of pairing that with like oranges and the yellows and some greens and just really pulling in that whole fall look. And then, of course, it goes well with winter. So I'm excited about this. Another lavender, yay. So the count is ticking up. That means that I am actually seeing what I purchased in the quantities that I purchased them. All right, there's another burgundy for you. Thank y'all for sticking around and counting with me. Inventory control is absolutely necessary. I've had a couple of run-ins with Temu recently, and I honestly don't think that it's a Temu thing. I think it's more of a kind of like the seller kind of thing. So yeah, a couple of run-ins, but the thing about it is that Temu will fight for you even with these sellers, and the sellers are really great too. I mean, I can't even tell you. Another burgundy, there we go. So honestly, it's like they're willing to work with you. They're willing to do whatever is necessary to make sure that you are happy as a customer, which is really honestly to God why I love dealing with Temu, because there are no questions about, hey, what happened here? They ask you to upload a couple of photos or so just to kind of prove what you're saying. But other than that, you're good to go. So there goes another lavender. Like I said, the count is adding up. And at this point, I think you guys have seen every color that I have in this particular box. But don't forget, y'all, there is another box coming. Okay, so, I believe that's a navy. I don't have to look in the bag anymore. And I'm really excited that everything is accounted for. So I'm just going to pack everything away. And after that, we're going to open up box number 2 and get started with that party. And I'm super duper excited that, the first box, thank God everything did come, because I tell you, when you see the condition that those boxes came in, it was a complete disaster, y'all. It looked like it was in the middle of a shootout. Wait for the next one. All right, you ready for box number 2? So let's see what colors are in here. So far we have lavender, navy blue, and cranberry, aka burgundy. All right, let's see what color this package or the unpackaging will reveal. Y'all, this is so much fun for me. It feels like Christmas in September. Baby blue, oh my gosh, how lovely. It is so pretty. And again, all of these curtains are from the same company, the same quality. It's just amazing. But look at that baby blue, right? So that is what I would pair with the navy blue from the first box that we just unboxed. Just gorgeous. Again, I'm looking for 5 bags of that light baby blue. I'm looking for 5 bags of the 3 additional colors that are coming after the baby blue, because that's how many I ordered. So in any case, I just so love just being able to show you guys this stuff, just so that you can know where you too can price it out, where you too can obtain good quality products for a great price. So this was actually listed as light green on Temu. Looks to me like an olive green, honestly, and I think that's the best way to really describe it. It is olive green, but it's beautiful, and again, I love the quality, and I just think it would make such an amazing fall color for sure. I mean, just imagine pairing that up, right, with the cranberry or even some oranges. It's amazing. Like I can't even imagine how much fun I'm gonna have this summer doing all of these really, really great things. So let me preface what I'm going to say by saying this. I did a wedding back in May, and part of the theme of that, well, the whole theme actually was peacock. And I paired it with royal blue and some purples and white, and look at that. I had to buy my own set because the set that I used initially was actually borrowed from another person who is also in the industry, but now I have my own royal blue curtains, and I tell you, it's just absolutely amazing. And the whole, honestly, the inspiration for that was to be able to recreate that whole peacock look design to show you guys in my house, like to do a full-on mock-up of it. So I'm excited about that. I absolutely cannot wait. All right, so here is what is known as rose red, right? At first I was like, what is rose red? But then now seeing it, it is truly, guys, fuchsia. It is truly that hot pink color. And that's exactly what I wanted because I have light pink already. So this hot pink is amazing. I can't wait to pair this up on Valentine's Day with that light pink and the red. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so amazing. And again, that quality, right? That look, that sheen, the way everything drapes. This just gets me totally excited. Like, this is the stuff right here that wakes me up in the morning. I just absolutely love all of this. So let's see what the next bag holds. What shall it reveal to us now? All right, so here we go. Is that another royal blue? Not sure. Let's take a look. Okay, no, that's actually a light blue. Okay, perfect. So I know a lot of these we're not really going to be opening, in the sense that we're not going to be pulling them out the Ziploc, because we can pretty much see through the transparency of the bag exactly what colors we're dealing with here. But yeah, this is absolutely great. And I do have yellow. I have yellow curtains that I got from Amazon, and they are beautiful, but can I tell you that they were really expensive? And I honestly think I paid twice. No, hold up. I can tell you, fearless of contradiction, I paid twice as much for the curtains on Amazon than I did for these curtains that I'm unboxing for you right now. It is so expensive. The only thing that I can honestly say I'm super grateful for is that I was able to get it during Prime Week, so that it was actually discounted off to some degree, but not enough to even compare with the discount that I got from Temu for these curtains. So I'm telling you, say what you want to about Temu, boo, but Temu comes through for your girl in a minute. And yes, I will say this. If I had to do it all over again, I would definitely purchase these curtains all over again and I would wait for them. Okay, so just y'all keep watching, because it's just so much fun for me to do this. Let me see what's coming out of this bag. Oh, it's another olive green color. I am so excited about using that particular color. I have plans, y'all. Ooh, I actually purchased a set of, and I shouldn't really say a set, several bags of, or several packs of the square Mylar balloons in that same olive green color. So I'm thinking that I'm going to use that as the backdrop curtains, and then do a whole mock-up with the olive green square balloons and create a whole balloon wall and a whole setup for you. I'll pull some oranges in. I'm going to pull some evergreen colors in. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that count is adding up. We are definitely doing inventory control right now, just to make sure that all those bags are adding up to 5 bags per color, because I am not that one. And do y'all remember the the white cake stand covers from the last unboxing that I did. Remember that there was a cake stand cover that was missing. It was the tiniest one. It was the extra small size. So anyway, I reached out to Temu and they were so big about going ahead and just giving me all, and I mean every black cent of my money back. So I'm very happy about that. I didn't have to fight with the seller. I didn't have to explain anything to Temu. It was, listen, y'all, I sent them the pictures, showed them that I only got 4 in the pack, and everything was resolved. So I feel really confident when I buy things from Temu because I know that they honor their desire to really be customer friendly. So yeah, those numbers are definitely adding up. It looks like I'm getting all of the products that I paid for, which is very nice and not as nerve-wracking as it usually is. So yeah, I'm just counting them off now, and I'm getting ready to put them back in the box because I've got everything I need. And so I do intend to show you the yellow curtains. So I got these yellow curtains from Amazon. They are absolutely beautiful. I'll bring them up to the camera so you can get a close-up. But just so you know, fair warning, okay? Price alert. You are not going to get that Temu experience price-wise that you're looking for on Amazon. Amazon is disrespectfully expensive when it comes to this type of stuff. So like I told you, I got, and I don't remember the price point on Temu, but I can tell you that I think one pack of this, and again, it comes as a 2-pack. You cannot beat this color. It is so absolutely gorgeous. You talk about sunshine yellow. Let me bring it up to you. But you better be prepared to mortgage your house, or at least find out what it would be like to remortgage your house just to afford these. At the time that I got them, it was during I think it was the Prime Day, whatever. So yeah, so I did not pay the actual price for these, like the actual retail price. I got a huge Prime Day discount. So I was very, very happy about that because your girl cannot afford that kind of stuff. But I'm just telling you, if you're just buying this on a regular day, you are going to pay out of your teeth. And I just, so for the 10 panels, you're going to pay over $100. I did not pay that. I refused to pay that. I thought that was just a suggestion and they weren't talking to me. So I got that Prime Day discount and I'm very happy about that. I think I paid half of that. So honestly, I think I got these curtains for maybe $50 or $56 for all 10 panels. You heard. But if you go on Amazon right now, it's literally gonna run you about $120 something. Ridiculous. Ain't gonna happen no day of the week. I'm not paying that. So I'm very, very happy. Even if I had to do it all over again with Temu and the ridiculous wait time, I would do it all over again. Because y'all saw the haul just now. That was a massive haul of curtains. 7 colors in that box. Here's color number 8. Last week you saw the ivory color, or that was supposed to be champagne. But there was that, right? So that's color number 9. And then like I said, I've got black, white, red, light pink, dark purple, and something else. I'm forgetting another color, but somewhere about 15 or 16 backdrop curtain colors, right? So I think that's it. Like, again, if I just get the green, let me see, the green, what I mentioned before, the orange, the brown, and the silver, I'm set. I don't know what else can I ask God for, right? So that's it. All right, guys, that's the entire curtain unboxing experience. And yes, this is the first time I actually opened this pack, so that too was an unboxing. But thank you so much for tuning in. Again, I'm Susan. This is Studio SG, and every time I go live like this, I would absolutely love for you to be a part of the whole experience. So please subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. Hit that bell for live notifications, and then like this video if any of the content has helped you. I am going to put in the description box below the links to these curtains so that you too can order them if you like. All right, and so anytime I go live like this, I would absolutely love it if you would just connect with this channel and connect with me. Thank you so much to my already supportive subscribers, and to those of you who have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? All right, I'll see you on the next video. Y'all take care.